Welcome to Master the Product. Master the Sales series. This module's focus: Adorn's manufacturing excellence. What makes Adorn a leading blinds and shades producer in India? With a sprawling 60,000 square feet factory located in Bengaluru, Adorn operates on a grand scale. It produces an impressive 1.6 million square feet of blinds each year. This robust production capability empowers Adorn to provide customers with the largest and most stylish selection of window decor options. How do we deliver top quality products and services? Innovation is central to Adorn, driving every stage of our process. This begins with sourcing, where we select fabrics based on a deep understanding of market trends and user needs. Our research and development team constantly explores new materials and mechanisms to enhance light control and efficiency. In production, precision engineering and automation ensure top quality craftsmanship. Finally, every product undergoes rigorous quality testing for durability, performance, and safety. At Adorn, innovation is integral to everything we do. What technology is used in Adorn's products? Adorn's dedication to crafting perfect blinds is made possible by our state-of-the-art facility. We employ laser cutting for intricate shaping, supersonic sealing for strong bonds, and advanced solvent printers for beautiful, high-resolution designs. Precision perforation systems further enhance our ability to create blinds that meet the highest standards of quality and design. This advanced machinery ensures that every blind produced meets our exacting standards. Recap: